Welcome to Custom Values. Let me explain how you would use this particular tool. For example, if you put one of these custom values, such as the from email, which is custom_values.from_email, into an email and a landing page and an SMS text, you only have to update the value in one place, and all keys that are using this information will be dynamically updated with the new value. For example, if we click on the three dots on the right hand side and we click on edit, we can change this from email to any value we'd like. For example, test@gmail.com. We can choose to add it to a particular folder if we created that here, and we can click on update. Once this is updated, this custom value, anywhere where the key custom_values.from_email lives, it will dynamically update as test@gmail.com. If, in the future, you want to change your from email, but you don't want to take the time to change it all emails, templates, invoice templates, websites, SMS, you can come to custom values and only update it in one place. In the top right corner, you have two options. You can choose to add a folder. You can also choose to create a new custom value. Clicking on custom value will allow you to name it. For example, this might be a color value. Underneath the primary color, we can choose a particular value. Once we're happy with that primary color value, we can complete this page, and that custom value will update wherever this key is involved. You can also click on folders. You can go to all values, choose multiple, select all 10 on the page. You can choose to move and group them into folders, delete multiple at a time, uncheck, sort by, click on the three dots, edit, move, and delete. Custom values are one of the most powerful tools inside of your account. Understanding where and how to use them is key. You can identify where a custom value is and can be used by looking for a little tag icon in several of your text editors.